Ever found yourself staring at a to-do list that looks more like a tangled mess of spaghetti than a roadmap to productivity? You're not alone. We've all been there. You've probably heard whispers of this magical tool called Trello, promising to organize your life, your work, maybe even your sock drawer. But before you dive headfirst into the world of boards and cards, one crucial question lingers. How much is this digital savior going to cost you? Let's face it, in today's world, subscriptions are everywhere. From streaming services to meal kits, the monthly bill can add up faster than you realize. So, is Trello another expense to worry about, or is it a worthwhile investment that will actually save you money in the long run by boosting your efficiency? We're going to break down the Trello pricing structure, dissect the different plans, and help you figure out which one, if any, is the perfect fit for your needs. We'll also explore whether the free version is truly enough for most people, or if you're inevitably going to need to upgrade. Think of Trello as a digital whiteboard. You can create boards for different projects, add cards for individual tasks, and move those cards through various lists representing different stages of completion. It's incredibly visual, incredibly intuitive, and incredibly powerful. But like any good tool, it comes with different levels of access and features which directly impact the price. Before we dive into the numbers, let's talk about why Trello has become so popular in the first place. It's not just about pretty boards and drag-and-drop functionality. It's about streamlining workflows, improving collaboration, and providing a clear overview of your projects. Whether you're a freelancer managing multiple clients, a team coordinating a complex project, or simply an individual trying to get your life in order, Trello offers a flexible and customizable solution. Imagine you're running a marketing campaign. You can create a Trello board for the campaign with lists for each stage: planning, content creation, design, social media promotion, and analysis. Each task can be a card assigned to a specific team member with deadlines, attachments, and comments. This level of organization can significantly reduce confusion, improve communication, and ensure that everyone is on the same page. But what if you're a student trying to manage your assignments and study schedule? Or a small business owner juggling multiple roles? The beauty of Trello is its versatility. You can adapt it to fit virtually any workflow, from simple personal tasks to complex enterprise-level projects. Now, let's get down to the brass tacks, the pricing. Trello offers 4 main plans: free, standard, premium, and enterprise. Let's start with the most enticing option, the free plan. Yes, you can use Trello for free, and for many individuals and small teams, it might be all you need. The free plan allows you to create unlimited boards, lists, and cards. You can add unlimited members to your boards, which is a huge plus for collaborative projects. You also get access to basic features like checklists, attachments, and due dates. However, the free plan does have its limitations. You're limited to 10 boards per workspace. This means that if you need to manage more than 10 active projects simultaneously, you'll need to upgrade. You also get limited storage for attachments, 10 megabytes per file, which can be a problem if you're working with large images or videos. Additionally, you only get 1 power-up per board. Power UPS are integrations with other apps and services, like Google Drive, Slack, and calendars, which can significantly enhance Trello's functionality. For many individuals and very small teams, the free plan is a fantastic starting point. You can get a feel for Trello's interface and features without committing to a paid subscription. However, as your needs grow, you'll likely find yourself hitting those limitations. Next up is the standard plan. This plan is designed for small teams that need more collaboration and storage. It costs around $5 per user per month when billed annually, or $6 per user per month when billed monthly. The standard plan removes the 10 board limit, giving you unlimited boards per workspace. It also increases the attachment storage to 250 megabytes per file, which is a significant improvement. You get access to advanced checklists, custom fields, and single board guests. The standard plan is a good option for teams that need to manage more projects and require more storage for attachments. The ability to add custom fields allows you to tailor Trello to your specific workflow, adding extra layers of information to your cards. If you're looking for even more features and functionality, the premium plan might be the right choice. This plan costs around $10 per user per month when billed annually, or $12.50 per user per month when billed monthly. The premium plan includes all the features of the standard plan, plus a host of advanced features. One of the key benefits of the premium plan is access to advanced admin controls and security features, which are essential for larger teams and organizations. You also get access to features like timeline view, dashboard view, and calendar view, which provide different perspectives on your projects. The timeline view, for example, allows you to visualize your project timelines and dependencies, while the dashboard view provides an overview of key metrics and progress. Another significant advantage of the premium plan is the ability to add unlimited power UPS per board. This allows you to integrate Trello with a wide range of other apps and services, creating a truly customized workflow. You also get access to team workspaces, which provide a centralized hub for all your team's boards. Finally, there's the enterprise plan. This plan is designed for large organizations that need advanced security, compliance, and support. The pricing for the enterprise plan varies depending on the number of users and the specific features required. It includes all the features of the premium plan, plus enterprise-grade security and compliance features, like SAML single sign-on and data encryption. You also get access to priority support and onboarding assistance. The enterprise plan is ideal for organizations that need to meet strict security and compliance requirements, or that have a large number of users and require dedicated support. So, which plan is right for you? It really depends on your specific needs and budget. If you're an individual or a very small team with basic needs, the free plan might be sufficient. If you need more storage and collaboration features, the standard plan is a good option. If you need advanced features like timeline view and unlimited power UPS, the premium plan is worth considering. And if you're a large organization with strict security and compliance requirements, the enterprise plan is the way to go. It's also worth noting that Trello offers discounts for educational institutions and nonprofit organizations. If you qualify for these discounts, you can get significant savings on your subscription. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.